We have a massive warm-up coming on the way for the eastern U.S., and unfortunately that does have the cost of some freezing rain in the central portion of the country, and we have plenty of it. There were reports out of Missouri today of a fire truck sliding down an icy street, and that ice is going to continue over the next day or two, and now that ice is moving into some more populated areas. We're talking Chicago could be seeing some ice, Indianapolis, Cleveland, even into areas such as Pittsburgh could be seeing some ice. So that is what we're going to be talking about today, as well as some snow and some heavy rain. So taking a look at our current hazards by the National Weather Service, a lot of winter weather advisories in the northern portion of the storm from Kansas all the way into New York. We also have some flood advisories and flood watches in the southern portion of the U.S. due to some very heavy rain moving through those areas. So taking a look at the HRRR, we have our current system right here, and this will be sliding to the north, and you can see all that red. That is that freezing rain, and it'll continue to be moving to the north and to the east during the day on Tuesday as this storm continues to just pull a bunch of Gulf moisture from the south and right into those areas that have been in the cold for quite a long time, especially in some areas such as Chicago, where things have been brutally cold over the past week. Now, as this storm moves through, we will be seeing less and less ice as the storm moves into colder and colder areas, more snow in areas such as Detroit, maybe a little bit further north of there. Areas like Buffalo will be seeing some more snow than that freezing precipitation. But we still have that warm side to talk about as well. Heavy rain impacting Texas and Arkansas. These areas just got freezing rain. We're going to be seeing a warm up, so hopefully that will all melt, and then some rain, just plain old rain, right on top. And that storm system will move through as well. A much warmer system, but we could see some ice there too. So let's take a look here first at our snow totals here. Very light on the snow with this storm system. 3 to 6 inches is going to be our max in areas just north of Detroit and Michigan, and some areas of the Northeast, especially in those higher elevations. You're going to be seeing closer to that 6-inch side than that 3-inch side, especially in the Adirondacks, some of the green and white mountains in New England and the Northeast. But now here is the big part of this storm, ice. And this is the 24-hour ice accumulation by the National Weather Service. This is their forecast. And some areas near Chicago could pick up a 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of ice, and that is absolutely devastating for travel. So that Tuesday morning and even Tuesday evening commutes could be very, very rough if these conditions do pan out and verify. But even moving into Cleveland, we could be seeing a 1/10 of an inch of ice. Areas around Detroit could be seeing a 1/10 of an inch of ice. Even into northern Pennsylvania, could be seeing 0.05 of an inch, so a glaze to a 1/10 of an inch of ice near Pittsburgh. Just a rough commute heading on into Tuesday. But we also have that rain down south. Let's not forget about it. Flooding rain at that. Over 3 inches of rain likely in Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Arkansas, even Missouri could be picking up very hefty rain totals over the next 48 hours here as this storm system continues to just draw up all that moisture. So again, a very big warm-up is on the way. We're going to be seeing a massive ridge set into place over the eastern U.S. after the storm system moves through. But a byproduct of that is all of this ice and that heavy rain moving into the eastern U.S. right now. But things are looking up with those temperatures, so that is the bright side. And we'll get through this ice and rain threat. But that is all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing or following, and I'll see you guys again very soon.